Hello everyone. Now here again with the help of these sheets, what are we up to? You just have to fold them together from the corners and get them arranged in this position. This is yet amazing, and then just open the leaves together and get a maple leaf like structure. Then with the help of this glass, you have to just get the straws. With the help of ruler, you need to paste it in this manner. From the top, you have to arrange the Fevicol and all and get them beautifully arranged. Get the cups and then just decorate it further in this way, and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. You can just keep it inside. Now here you have to get a cute lovely faces of rabbits, and then with the help of straws you need to get the cuts like this, and using the holes you need to put it inside and grab them in this position. Just pull it from the bottom. Further here you have to get the cuts like this and then join them together in this manner in a layer like this. Paste it around and then get a straw into the shape of a handle like this and make the clouds and all. Further, with the help of these sticks you need to make the rains as well. Cool, right? I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.